Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting now. Check that Windows recognizes your headset as default input and output because the game uses system devices. Launch FiveM and join the RP server, then open the server voice settings to enable in-game chat. Once done, quit any apps that might grab the microphone, Discord, Teams, or browser tabs, since they can block audio access. This avoids device conflicts and ensures the game can access the mic directly, which is the first actionable fix to get voice working. Now you configure both the operating system and FiveM so they match. In Windows, set your mic level around 80 to 100% and turn off mic boost to prevent distortion. Then, in FiveM's voice menu, pick the exact device name you confirmed earlier and choose push-to-talk or proximity depending on server rules. Make sure range sliders are appropriate. Also match sample rates or codecs if the server exposes them, because mismatched audio formats cause clipping or silence. Finish by performing a live test with the server's voice test or another player so you can verify both input and output. If you still hear nothing, toggle the device off and on, reinstall or update your audio drivers, and clear FiveM's cache. These steps resolve hidden config issues. Lastly, run FiveM as administrator to ensure it has microphone permissions from the system. If problems persist after these steps, repeat tests after each change so you can isolate the exact cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.